What if you could make money, even while doing absolutely nothing at all?
Yeah, I know. It sounds fake, but just watch what happens next.
Passive income just means building something once and letting it pay you over time. See? It pays you over time. First, digital products. And no, you don't need to be some genius for this.
You create something once, like a template or guide, and it keeps selling. Look at this guy. He bought it once, and now he's buying it again for no reason. I'll buy it again. Again? Seriously? And you just sit there, watching the same thing happen again and again.
Second income, investing, and relax. I know you're already trying to run away from this. This is just your money slowly working for you, instead of the other way around. It's slow, yeah, but it never gets tired like everyone do. And over time, that small growth becomes something much bigger. Third income, content creation. And no, you don't need millions of followers to start. One video can keep getting views, again and again, over time.
Meanwhile, this guy posted once and hasn't stopped refreshing since. Come on, refresh! Why isn't it working?
Content works while you sleep, and that's the part people ignore. Fourth, affiliate marketing, which is basically recommending things you already use.
I'll buy it!
See, it's that simple. Every time someone buys it, you get paid a small part of it. See? The money comes right to you. So this guy buys, and somehow you get money. Sounds fair to me.
And the more people see it, the more it keeps happening. Fifth income, renting things, and no, not just houses, literally anything useful. People will pay just to use what you already own. I'll pay to borrow that lawnmower.
Me too! Here are some coins!
This guy just paid to sit on a chair? I'm not even kidding. And you're just standing there thinking, wait, that actually works? And sixth income, systems, which is what most people completely ignore. Systems turn effort into something that keeps paying you automatically. You do the work once, and then it keeps going without you. This guy is still working, while yours is already working for you. And that's the difference most people never understand. None of this is easy, but it's way smarter than working forever like this. Because working harder has limits, but smart systems don't. So the real question is, what are you building right now? If this made you think, you already know what to do next.